Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all control suggesters for your earbuds VIVO TWS 3E. So, the touch area is located at the back side of your earbuds, and right here at the top we have it. Now let me play some song, and by default you can with a double press play or pause the song. 1, 2. You can use your left and right earbud. 1, 2, and I just play. I need to play a song, so maybe again. Okay, I don't want to play song, but it should. Maybe this is a problem because I listen to music in my browser. And we have also press and hold, and right here in the application, as you can see, we have ambient sound control. So with the press and hold on your left or right earbud, you will swap between these modes. If you use normal mode, firstly you will swap to transparency mode. After transparency you will swap to ANC, and from ANC you will swap to normal mode. Now, we can also customize this gesture. In the application you need to scroll down and go to shortcut actions. And right here we can select another feature for the double press. So you can press on it, and you can select to play next or previous track. You can also wake up voice assistant with it. Let's say I wanna play previous track with my left earbud, and with the right one I wanna play next track. Also, with the gesture you can answer and finish the call by press 2 times at your left or right earbud, but you can disable it in the application, and also you can disable to reject the call with the press and hold. Now, for the press and hold, we cannot set another feature. We can only select a mode what we will swap. So by default we swap between, as I said, ANC, normal mode, and transparency, but you can select, let's say, to swap between only ANC and transparency, and the same with the right earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!